want to teach you 2 movement techniques that will improve your smartphone videos. This is Henry Story. Welcome to my channel. People post videos with the wrong movements or too much movement, and I know exactly why they do it. All right, I used to do it too. We want to make our video very entertaining and dynamic, and we naturally add a lot of movement when we record the video. Movements are great when making videos, but they have to be slow, controlled movements, especially if you're hand holding your camera and don't have a stabilizer for it. Usually people do random movements. They don't have a structure for how they're going to film the video. They don't have a general idea of what direction they're gonna go. All right, so I came out to the local town center to show you some different types of movements that you can do as you are filming. Just keep that one direction and keep it smooth. Be like a ninja. If you see that stick, by the way, that's the 360 camera recording. The first movement I'm gonna do is a push in. I'm gonna do this handheld with the phone, okay? I don't have a stabilizer, I don't have anything. I'm going to hold the phone as steady as I can and walk forward, not changing directions, just pushing forward. Now I'm going to do the same movement but backwards. Notice that actually walking forward is also walking backwards, okay, because you can reverse your video later on. Now I'm going to do a parallax movement, trying to be as steady as possible, keeping it in the middle. And last, I just want to show you that if you combine maybe 2 of these movements, you'll get a really nice result. All right, we're going to combine starting from the sky, going down and pushing forward. All right, so here's what I usually see that I want to correct. When you try these movements, you will get the urge to move the phone and change direction, but resist that urge. Stick to one direction. Later on, you can pick another angle and do another movement, all right? And then when you edit the videos, you can combine the clips and you'll be able to show all the angles. I did all of this handheld on my iPhone, all right? The only extra piece of equipment that I had was this lapel mic. So I just want to show that with minimal equipment, you can do good videos by yourself. I hope that these video tips help you improve your own content, leverage the tools you already have to grow your business to the next level. Please hit subscribe and see you next time. Thank you for watching. It's working and we are off.